seal of my reality. Now
hi guys, good morning, happy weekend. So guys, today is Saturday. I just want you guys to spend this morning with me. I want to quickly do a little bit deep cleaning. Yeah, not really deep cleaning like that, because I'm planning to pay professional cleaners to come and clean this house because this house is too big. So I'm going to just do a little. I'm going to be doing my normal morning routine with you guys. So let me not talk too much. Let's dive into the video, okay?
Welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, I've already cleaned all this place. I've already cleaned the TV console. I've cleaned. I want to. I've already started sweeping, so I'll just sweep out the parlor now, and then go where the main work is. Where I'm doing the main work is the kitchen. So I finished cleaning up the chairs at best. So you can see, because the chairs, that place that is kind of dark, I have to scrub that place. But I think my kids read something. I'm done. So let me just.
Always keeping it real, Jennifer. 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 From the kitchen to the family, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. Just be free, subscribe, like, share the love, stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know Jennifer, always keeping it real. I know welcome to my channel. I know rude Jennifer, real life moments, and nothing filtered, mom life stories, love and laughter, everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, like, and share the love. Stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support. I know rude Jennifer, always keeping it real.
Put it inside.
No rude Jennifer. No rude Jennifer. Always keeping it real, 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 Jennifer. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love your life, come ride with me. This is home, just be free. Subscribe, share the love, stay tuned for more from me to you. I love you all, thank you for the support.
I know they call this boy here. When you break up to 100, say it's 100k plus. No, they. I'm in my kids' room. We have to drop this. So, by next week, I'm going to be arranging this wardrobe. This Jotam's wardrobe. Hi people, hello guys. So, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done with all the things I'm doing. My children has baked. Drop it there. My children has baked. I didn't get that on camera, but they have baked, and I'm all dressed. So I'm heading to the hospital to see my friend. You guys are going to see the video before this, or this video before that one, anyone. So my friend gave birth. I've been busy going to the hospital and coming back. So today is Saturday, and I've showed you guys how my Saturday morning practically, that's not just my Saturday morning, this is how my morning looks like, because I clean almost every day. If you have kids, you have to clean your house all the time. You have to arrange your house all the time. JD, oh yeah, come down with that slippers. You have to make sure your house is neat. If not, but since we moved into this place, my children hardly sick. So I just want to keep it that way. They've not sick. I've not taken them to the hospital. Apart from Jotam. I think just once. Yeah. But they've not sick. Unlike before that, I will be going to the hospital.
Hey guys, this is my new Android phone. I was planning that December time I'm going to get Android phone, but voila, it came too early. Thank you, Jesus. Love you guys.